it's Ivy, and yes, today we're doing a hair video. I know my hair looks good. Yeah, my hair looks so realistic. It's giving perfect natural hair. So today we're gonna be installing and reviewing the human hair crochets. So I got this hair from a company called HOTBRAIDS, all right? So this is their 3A, 3B texture, exotic natural curly. This is 22 inches, and I do have leave out, but it's such a small, tiny bit of leave out. It was super easy to blend, and it was easy to install. I wanted this tutorial to be very beginner friendly. I wanted it to be as basic as possible so you can also achieve this look at home. So I did my crochets on old braids. I just used a net cap on top of my braids, and that allowed my hair not to feel tight. Now, while this is beginner friendly, it's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some time, y'all. It took me about 5 hours. These human hair crochets are good, y'all. I really like them. Like, for real. So if you're interested in trying out these crochets, keep on watching so I can give y'all the 411 on them. Okay, you guys, so getting started with our crochets, I have braids that I've had these in for a couple of weeks. I don't like doing my crochets on tight braids. I have a very sensitive scalp. I have very fine hair. So I do my crochets with old braids because it's more comfortable, and I find that it looks more natural as well. Right on top of my braids, I have a stretchy net, and it has like a little elastic. I'm just gonna leave this on until I complete my crochets, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off around the perimeter. I have a very small amount of leave out. I want you guys to see how easy this is gonna be to blend. The hair we're using today is from HOTBRAIDS. So this is the texture 3A, 3B, exotic natural curly. This is human hair. It's 22 inches. So this is how the hair comes to you. Look at those curls, you guys. So juicy. These are beautiful curls. Look at that. Very juicy and very full. Your bag also includes a box, and it just has different accessories in here. Comb, clips, a comb, clips, brush. The hair is kind of like on this little ring, so you can easily grab a piece. I just wanted to grab a piece to show you guys exactly how it looks. So the hair is attached to a thread. Okay, I've never seen anything like this. I'm definitely going for like my signature flip over look. I'm gonna show you guys how I install it, and I'm just gonna give you my overall opinion on human hair crochets, okay? I usually use a crochet hook like this. I like a bigger one, okay? I think it just works a little faster. Okay, y'all, as I'm doing them, they're easy enough to do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to filling up my head, and I'll be back when I'm kind of, I guess, at the top. Okay, you guys, so I'm at the top, and as you can see, y'all, this hair is full, and I have like a few strands left. I've used the entire thing. I shouldn't have did that. As you can see, it gets really full. really full. And around the top, I'm just doing them very close together, because as you can see, you kind of see the little strings. So you want to make them real close together to go ahead and try to camouflage that. I'm just pulling it through, okay? And then I like to tie a knot. And I've been doing my hair now for about 4 hours. It's not quick, but do I think it's worth it? Yes. I think it's a very good protective style. I'm ready to define the hair because I really want to see how these curls are gonna look. But the hair is really soft. So you guys, you see how I'm just filling it in? You just want to take your time and fill in the areas where your braid and cap is. And I like using this stretchy cap because areas like right here where it's no braid, I can go ahead and put a piece of hair because I can just literally go through the cap. And I think that's why my hair, so if you're interested in a style like this, y'all, do not buy 2 packs of hair. 1 is enough. So now I'm going to just cut my cap off. So I want to camouflage like my little parts. So I'm gonna stick the crochet through, hook through both sections. This is my last piece, you guys. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is wet this down, and then we're gonna define all of this beautiful hair. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just wet down my hair. I use the Suave Moroccan oil infusion conditioner, and when you're detangling, make sure you hold your roots. You don't want to pull your hair out. The whole point of the crochets is a protective style, y'all. So just you know, take small pieces and go through. It detangles buttery soft, and the texture is so pretty. Look at that. I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of the water out of the hair before I go in and add all of my products. I'm gonna take a little bit of argan oil. I'm gonna take my Braid hair gel. And remember, be gentle. You don't wanna snatch these out of your head, you guys. I love how the curls define, so pretty. And I'm literally just raking the product through. So now I'm gonna use the Bounce Curl Defining Brush. I love this brush, y'all, because look at this. Look. Watch how it defines the curls. Look at that. Oh my goodness, you guys. Take the hair and you roll it. Roll it. Look at them. Y'all, look at them curls. You guys, the curls. So gorgeous. So let's go ahead and diffuse it, and then we're gonna come back, and then I'm gonna blend my leave out. Still not dry. Almost dry, y'all. I've been drying this hair for like 30 minutes. Okay, you guys, so our hair is defined. I want mine to stay defined, so I'm not gonna pick it loose. And I'm literally just gonna take a loose, a little flat twist. I'm just taking a little bit of edge control, and I'm just gonna slick down my edges just a little bit. Just a little bit, because they really don't have to be slick, because the way my hair blends in with this texture is crazy. What? And I was scared that you were gonna see the little strings in the crochets, but I literally cannot see. I can't see them. It's camouflage, you guys, and I have the smallest amount of hair out. And the edge control I'm using, you guys, is the Edge Booster Fighter Grip. Y'all, this is my hair. These ain't no crochets. This is my hair. Mine. You're gonna have to, you know, play with your crochets to get that high volume that you may want. I'm used to a little bit more volume, and because it's like individual pieces, you have to move them around to get that look that you want. Y'all, these crochets are so pretty. I was not expecting to like these crochets this much. It looks really good. It feels like lightweight. It feels different than like a weave or a wig. It feels very different. It's very like airy. And I also noticed with the crochets, the tangling is a lot easier. The tangling is a lot easier. I don't know if it's because it's like individual pieces of hair. Look at the texture of the hair, y'all. Doesn't it look like real hair? You can't tell me that texture doesn't look like natural hair. But you could pull it back, you guys. You can do all different styles. I love these ringlets. They're so juicy and good. So I believe that's it for today's video. All the information to get these human hair crochets are gonna be listed below in the description bar. Make sure you check it out. Definitely, if you're a person that likes crochets and you're looking for a human hair option, definitely give this a go. So thanks again, you guys, for watching another one of my videos. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe, and I will talk to you next time.